Hello everyone, welcome back to Start Coding Class. So in the previous video, we learned about Laravel 13 database seeder and factory, and now in this video, we are going to learn one of the most important topic in Laravel backend development is Query Builder. So now you might be thinking, why do we even need Query Builder when SQL query already exists? Because writing raw SQL again and again become difficult, less readable and harder to maintain. So Laravel Query Builder gives you a clean, readable, secure way to interact with the database. And trust me, if you are understand Query Builder properly, so eloquent ORM becomes much easier, relationship become much easier, API becomes easier, and CRUD operation become easier. So in this video, we are going to learn how to fetch record and how to use where condition, how to sort data, how to get single row and a specific column also, and multiple where condition, and also we are going to use limit also, and also some real world query builder example also we are going to see, and also we are going to see the difference between query builder and SQL. Okay, so first question is, what is query builder? So Laravel Query Builder provide you a clean and secure way to interact with database using PHP method instead of raw SQL query. Okay, so first of all, if you want to use this query builder, so you need to import this db facade. Okay, use Illuminate support facade db. Okay, so if you want to fetch all the record, so normally we are writing just select star from table name, something like this. But in query builder in Laravel, db colon table, and table name is user, and get means fetch all the record from the user table. Okay, and if you want to fetch the single record, so you need to only change this, not whole record. It's only change get in the place of first. So first means single record, fetch single record. Okay, if you want to select the specific column, you do not want to select all the columns like select star from table name. So if you want only id, name, email, so you need to write here db colon users table and select whatever column you want, id comma name comma email, and then get function. Okay, and if you want to put the where condition, so we need to write just simply db table users and where condition, and first parameter is column name and second is value. Okay, status is 1. We are going to fetch the record from user table where status is 1. Okay, where this method get means fetch all the record where status is 1. Okay, so now if you want to add the multiple where condition, so db table users where status 1 and where role admin. Okay, so this way you can add multiple where condition. Okay, and if you want the record order by, so we only need to add order by, and everything is same, order by id descending or ascending, whatever you want, so you need to write here. Okay, if you want to use the limit, suppose you have multiple record in your database, but you are doing some pagination or you are doing some records, you want to fetch only 5 records, so in that condition you are going to use this limit 5 and then get, which is same in all query. Okay, so this way you can record with the help of limit. Okay, so this is the query where all the condition is there, where is also there, data filtering where condition also there, select also there, and order by also, and limit also, everything is there. Okay, so now we are going to see all these things in our real project in our VS Code also. So let's go in VS Code. We will write this query. We will going to run all the query in VS Code. So let's go. So this is my VS Code, and already we have created in route previous video, routing video. So you can see there is a route called home, and this is calling this user controller index function. Okay, so this time I'm just going to remove or comment this. Okay, and I'm going to write here my query. Okay, so first of all, create a variable users db facade. So you need to add this db facade here. Okay, use this db facade, then you can use this, otherwise it will give you error. Okay, table, and table name is users and get method. Okay, and going to return this, return users, simple. Okay, so now let's hit this API. Okay, so you can see all the record table in our PHPMyAdmin in users table, 5 record is there in users table. So all the record is, we have fetched all the record. Okay, so this db table users is just selecting user table, and this get fetch all the row from the database, and this return users is returning the record. So behind the scene the query is select star from users. This is the query. This is the real query which Laravel convert query builder into SQL automatically. Okay, so this is the main query. So now select the multiple specific column because you can see there is lots of unnecessary column is there, password, remember token, created, updated, and all that. So right here select, and inside this ID, name, and email. Okay, and now run this query. So now you can see this query is returning first record, second record, third record, fourth record, and fifth record with the name and email. Okay, no extra columns is there. So if I talking about the benefit of this query, so it's improve the performance because it reduce the unnecessary data. Like previously it was selecting all this password, email verified, remember token, created, updated, and everything. So now it's very optimized because we are selecting only required field. Okay, if I talking about this query, so behind the scene the query is just simple select ID, name, and email. This Laravel convert into this MySQL query. Okay, so now if I use the where condition, suppose we want a record like status is equal to 1. So where condition, where status and second parameter is 1. Okay, so now this will select the user, that type of user where which user has a status is 1. Okay, so let me check here. So there is only 3 user is there which status is 1. So let's refresh this. So now you can see only ID1, ID2, and ID4. So let's check in database also. So ID1, ID2, and ID4 user is only status 1. Okay, so now MySQL query behind the scene it's creating where select start from user where status is equal to 1. So this query is equivalent to this query. Okay, so now if I want to add multiple where condition, so you can write here another where condition where role is admin or user. Just write here admin. Okay, so now let's check in DB. So role is admin, only one user, role is admin. So refresh this. So you can see only ID1 record is there because the role is status is 1 and role is admin, only one user. Okay, so if I'm going to change this role as user, so you will get 3 records. No, 3 records not, because status is also 1. So only one user has status 1 and role is user. So let's check this also user and refresh this. So you can see the ID number 2 is name is Rahul Sharma. So this user is status 1 and role is user. Okay, so query is perfect. And if I'm talking about the behind the scene, the query is, so the query is something like this: select star from user table where status is 1 and role is user. So this query is equivalent to this query, this SQL query. Okay, so now the next is if you want to add this query orderBy. So just remove all these condition, where condition, and add here orderBy. So orderBy, you need to write first of all column name and then what you want, ascending or descending. So descending I want. Okay, so this query is orderBy ID descending. So now let's check. Okay, so you can see ID descending means highest ID in first and lowest ID in last. Okay, so 5 4 3 2 1 is descending order. Okay, so if I'm going to change this ascending order, so it will also work. So you can see now it 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so if I'm talking about the behind the scene which query is creating this query, MySQL query, so it's creating select a star from users and order by so ascending. So this query is equivalent to this query. So behind the scene this query is generating this query. Okay, because our MySQL don't understand this query, so Laravel going to convert your this query to this query. Okay, so the next is limit. So if you want to add the limit inside this query, so just remove this orderBy and let's add here some limit. Okay, so in limit 3 only, write here 3 and run this. So you will get only 3 record, not all the 5 records. So you can see 1 2 3. So in ascending order you are getting only 3 records. So this query is useful in pagination, dashboard, and latest record, like if you want to fetch record. So in that situation, you can this query is very helpful. So behind this scene, this query is going to write here, select star from users, limit is 3. Okay, now I'm going to combine all the this where condition, order by, select, limit, and everything inside the one query. So just going to write here, just do one thing, just format this query. So first select. So inside the select, ID, name, and email is there. Okay, and next is where condition, where suppose where status is 1, status is 1. Okay, so next is order by, order by ID descending. Okay, and the last one is our limit. So it's already there, so just format this. So now it's looking good and easy to understand. Okay, so now let's run this query. So you can see record is 4 because status is 1 and limit is 3. So and ID is descending. So that's why it's starting from 4. So because 5 number record is not there because its status is not 1. So we are going to fetch only 3 record, 4 and 2 and 1. And this is ID descending. So first of all, it will be 4, then 2, then 1. So let's check this. 4, then 2, then 1. So our query is perfect. So this query is just going to select the record, select the column, filter data with the where condition, and sort record also with the ID descending, and limit the output. So this is the real world query builder uses. So in this video, we have learned what query builder is, how to fetch record, where condition, select column, sorting, limit, and also first and get. And this is the one of the most important Laravel backend concept. So in the next video, we are going to insert, update, delete record using Laravel Query Builder. So don't miss the next video also, because that is where we will build a complete database operation. So if this video is helpful for you, so please like this video, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon to get latest updated video from my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.